Welcome to our full Coinjar review, where we'll dive into the platform's features, how to use it, and what makes it a great choice for cryptocurrency traders and investors. Coinjar is known for its simplicity and user-friendly design, making it perfect for both newcomers to the crypto world and seasoned traders. To begin using Coinjar first, you'll need to create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward, requiring basic personal details and verification to ensure your security. Once your account is set up, you can start funding it with your preferred payment method, whether it's through bank transfer or debit card. Coinjar supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as stable coins like USDT. You could easily buy or sell crypto directly from your Coinjar dashboard. The platform also provides live price tracking, so you can stay updated on the latest market trends. Coinjar's fees are competitive, with both deposit and withdrawal fees depending on your payment method. There's a small fee for trading, but it's lower than many other crypto exchanges, making Coinjar an attractive option for cost-conscious traders. The wallet feature allows you to securely store your crypto on the platform, with support for both hot and cold storage methods. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. When it comes to security, Coinjar uses two-factor authentication 2FA to ensure your account is safe from unauthorized access. They also offer encryption protocols for both transactions and wallet storage. One feature many users appreciate is Coinjar's instant buy and sell feature, which lets you quickly execute trades without waiting for market orders to fill. This is especially helpful for fast-paced markets, or if you need to make an urgent trade. Overall, Coinjar offers a robust platform with a solid mix of features that are easy to navigate. Whether you are new to cryptocurrency or a more experienced trader, Coinjar provides a reliable platform for trading and managing your digital assets. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crypto reviews and tutorials.